Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? I am Alda Maishita. I would like to explain about my research proposal. The title is The Use of Kahoot Game to Improve Students' Vocabulary at SMPN 2 Mantub. Background of the study. The first is the importance of vocabulary. The second is student problem in vocabulary. The third is the use of Kahoot application. The research question is, how is Kahoot game used to teach in improving student vocabulary in learning English at SMPN 2 Mantub? The objective of the study is to describe and investigate the use of Kahoot game to improve student vocabulary in SMPN 2 Mantub, especially in learning English. Significance of the study. The result of the study is expected to give contribution for researcher, students, and teacher. The first is for the researcher. The result of the study can be used to other researcher in finding academic information to improve student vocabulary in teaching English using technology. The second is to the teacher. The results of the research can be used to provide by use Kahoot game, which teacher of the schools can look up that Kahoot is a good choice to improve student vocabulary. And the last is for the student. The results of the research can motivate and help students in improving their vocabulary in learning English. The next is scope and limitation. The scope of the research is Kahoot game in learning. The research will focus on the use of Kahoot game to improve students' vocabulary. It will describe how the students get a new vocabulary and how teachers believe that Kahoot can improve student vocabulary. Besides that, this research only limited to vocabulary learning. The next is definition of teacher. The researcher wants to explain the term of the research to make a clear meaning. In this research, there are Kahoot, vocabulary, and media. Review of the previous study. Some previous studies by researchers have investigated the related topics. Thus, it will be described here to find the gap among it. The first study from the research of Arul Lestari 2019. The research used a quasi-experimental, and for the results, there is no significant difference between students without or using Kahoot as a media. The second is from the results of Muhammad Mansurdian Fadilawati 2019. Research design used by the researcher was classroom action research, and the results Kahoot application could improve the student English vocabulary achievement, especially on the topic of introducing yourself. The third from Veronica Heni, Sudarsono, Regina 2019. It's particularly in senior high school. And the results is Kahoot can engage student active response in learning English. The fourth from Fitri Rayani Siregar, Selvia Angela 2019. The objective of the research is to examine the student vocabulary mastery by playing Kahoot as a platform media. In this research, a quantitative research was employed where the research involved 33 students as samples. So, some previous studies found that Kahoot game can use to improve student vocabulary exactly in Indonesia. In fact, most of the studies were conducted in senior high school and university, while there are some schools, especially junior high school, use Kahoot game. Besides that, those aspects just explored like student perception and the effectiveness of use Kahoot game. In my research, I prefer to focus in describe and explain using Kahoot to improve vocabulary students more detail and depth. Research design refers to the method of combining the different components of research project in a consistent and coherent manner. In the study, the researchers used a qualitative approach because the study focused on the analysis or interpretation of the use of Kahoot to improve students' vocabulary in learning English. It will be purposed to get more information and describe about its detail and depth. The subject of the research is student and teacher in SMPN 2 Mantub, and the setting is conducted in SMPN 2 Mantub. used in the research is from not an interview with the teacher about the activities using Kahoot game and how does the teacher use Kahoot to improve student vocabulary. There are so many techniques to collect the data in qualitative research. In the research, the instruments will be used interview, observation, and also documentation. After collecting the data, the researcher analyzes the data. The researcher divides the activity in analyzing data into 3 activities. They are data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. Thanks for your attention. See you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.